Imagine a bomber so fast it could outrun missiles, a jet so high it touched the edge of space, and a design so crazy it literally surfed on its own shockwaves. This isn't a sci-fi movie, this is the insane story of the XB-70 Valkyrie. In the 1960s, the US built this giant white arrow of a plane. It was supposed to be unstoppable, delivering nuclear weapons at speeds and heights no enemy could reach. But what made it work? And why did it vanish after only 2 prototypes? The Valkyrie was a monster, nearly 200 feet long, with 6 jet engines pumping out a firestorm of thrust. At top speed, 3 times the speed of sound, the air made its skin hotter than an oven. So engineers built it from futuristic metals, and even used the fuel itself as a coolant before it hit the engines. But here's the insane part. At Mach 3, the Valkyrie could fold down its wingtips to trap shockwaves underneath. This gave it free lift, less drag, and more speed. It was basically surfing on air at 70,000 feet. That's higher than fighter jets, higher than air defenses, completely untouchable. But the dream didn't last. Soviet missiles got faster, making speed and altitude less safe. The Valkyrie was insanely expensive and hard to build, and in 1966, a tragic mid-air crash destroyed one prototype. Soon, nuclear missiles replaced bombers as the main strike force, and the Valkyrie's future was over. Still, it wasn't wasted. NASA used it for high-speed experiments, and the data helped design future bombers and even supersonic passenger planes. Today, the last Valkyrie sits in a museum, still looking like something out of the future. The XB-70 Valkyrie was bold, futuristic, and totally insane. It proved what humans could build when they chase the impossible, even if the dream burns out fast. If you want more stories of crazy engineering like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and join us for more crazy tech stories.